8 meter apart. If the central angle is 10 degrees, determine the common radius. Okay, so same, in the class, common radius man. Okay, so we have R1 and R2 is the same. Okay, they're equal this. So we have two parallel tangent. So dito dire, go to here, and then 4, no? Then, what on? Okay. Okay, so therefore guys, we have PT, PC, and PRC. Point reverse conversion. Okay, and then we have R1 and R2. Since same naman eh. Ako pangalan ng R. Okay, so dito na rin. Okay, 8 meter apart ang ilang tangent. So, okay, yung appearance ng the distance ni guys. This is 8 meter. Okay, next is, okay, if the central angle is 10 degrees. Okay, okay, if the central angle is 10 degrees, so therefore guys, this is the 10-degree angle now. And then if I will make a long chord from PC to PT, okay, kung sa'yo na sa class since, kaning, paano mo rin? Tawag rin, common chord naman. Okay? So, how can you solve this one? So, if this is 10 guys, if this is 10, okay, and then, mag-draw kong tangent line, kung may tangent line na lang. Okay, tangent line. If this is 10, ganit 10 degrees 10. Okay, mag-draw kong line dito niya, pag niya, this is 10, this is 5. Diba? So, 180 minus 10 kaya, 170. 180 minus 170, 10 na lang, and bahilog na duhan. So, this is 5. Okay? So, 5 degrees na. Okay, so therefore, guys, this is 5 degrees. Okay, so parang kung saan itong target? Solve the common radius man. Okay, so ang atong target, para ma-solve na ito na, is to solve the value of kaninas. Ano yung solve one? Saan na yun? Huwag lahi. Saan? Okay. So this is 10, this is 5. Okay, so atong solve one class kanina. So sa'yo pang illustration is okay, so sige na lang. Okay, basta kay lampad yung sa kanan. So atong buhaton, 8 meter na. Okay, this is T, and this is T. Okay, ang atong target direct class is solve the value of T. Okay, so natay 8, natay angle S. Okay, atong angle direct is 10. Okay, 10 degrees. So then it is 10 degrees less. So gamit ako, tangent, no? So it's tangent of 10 degrees. No. That is sine, no? Sine of 10 degrees is equal to this one, 8. 8 meter divided by 2t. By 2t lang ito. Kaya pagkilos man ito, ha? So, pilay t mo. Pilay value. Ilan? Ilan? 20? 3. Ay, point 1. Point 0.04. Okay, pwede po ba mag-long chord basis class? Pwede mo mag-long chord. Okay, kung ano din yung class ang long chord yan, then kung ano yung radius, pwede mo mag-tangent yan po. Okay, so na naman yung niya. Okay, so again, draw line, kanina, 90 degrees ko na. No? So therefore guys, and then this is T. May gamit ang tangent, no? Tangent of 5 degrees na rin. I think that's 5 degrees na. So tangent 5 degrees is equal to T divided by the radius. So we have T minus 23.04 divided by the radius of, ano, ito na yung radius mo, sa command. Plus. Ilan eh? 263. Man. Let's say, no? Subtract ko na. 263.29, no? Ano? Okay, so select the nearest value. Select the nearest value. That's what that will be.